Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we got a really quick tutorial for you. We're going to show you how to remove and replace the back frame on a Steelcase Amia chair. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so to do this install and deinstall, all you're going to need is a 13mm socket. We've got ours mounted to an impact driver, but you can do it by hand with a ratchet as well, as long as you have a 13mm socket here. All right, so as I said, this is going to be a really quick and easy install. The first thing you're going to need to do is take your Amia chair. I like to flip it up onto its face here, so it's going to be kind of balancing this way. Now, this back is only held on with these 4 bolts here, and so that's what we're going to be removing. So let's do that now. All right, so these are the 4 bolts that are holding the back into place, so let's get them removed now. Okay, so with the 4 bolts removed, you can see that this now can move freely. We're going to go around the back of the chair and we're going to lift this out of place. You might need to wiggle it a touch because it can be a little tight to get in there. And as you can see, the back is now removed. All right, so now to put the back in place, we're going to slide this back in. As you see, it's take a little bit of force and finesse here to get it into place and get it so these are lined up with the holes in the back assembly. Now we're going to take our bolts and we're going to install them one at a time. Now again, you might need to kind of get this lined up here. Make sure that that back is, there it goes. And you're going to see it'll start threading once you have it lined up properly. Now you want to make sure that when you're putting these bolts in that you're not over tightening them. So we want to make sure that they're snug but not over tightened. So we just want to give it a little bit extra, make sure it's tight, that's not going anywhere. But we don't want these to be over tightened. So those are pretty good. You can see everything seems to be very sturdy. Everything's back installed properly. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all about your Amia chair or any other chairs, don't hesitate to reach out to us at our website, crandalloffice.com, or our Facebook page. Anywhere else you can reach us, we're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Okay, for this install and deinstall, all you're going to need is a 13mm hex, 13mm socket. 13mm socket. All right. So these are the 4 bolts that we're talking about that are holding the back on and in place. So let's get them removed. Probably need to put it in reverse first. Oops, that one's tight. All right, take 5. So these are the 4 bolts that we're talking about. So let's get them removed now. Hold on. I didn't realize it was that long.
That's what she said.